Roscoe, what are you doing here?
Pepperettes are good.
Roscoe, no.
Sorry.
What are you making for dinner tonight, Roscoe?
Hemp crusted tofu cobb salad. Off of Lauren Toyota's recipes here. I had a sous chef today. So we're gonna have tofu, gluten-free breadcrumbs, hemp hearts, chili powder, garlic powder, sea salt, Dijon mustard, non-dairy milk, romaine lettuce. We have green beans, tomatoes, 2 avocados, and 1 cup of ranch dressing. Vegan ranch dressing, that is.
But Roscoe, do you have vegan ranch dressing?
Absolutely.
Are you sure? Show us. Where is it, Roscoe?
Well, you can't look in the fridge.
Where's the vegan ranch dressing, Roscoe?
Is that vegan?
Roscoe?
No. So we'll have to make some other kind of dressing, I guess, somehow. So what do you do with this tofu anyway? Slippery little devil, isn't it? Drain the water out of this?
Yes.
This is my first experience with tofu, yes. Now it says to cut it in 8 thick sticks.
Did you just eat raw tofu?
Yeah. I did.
Now, Roscoe, what would a typical, dinner be for the Roscoe?
Chicken, meat, meat and potatoes kind of.
You're a meat and potatoes kind of guy.
Meat and potato kind of guy, yeah.
For
This
you.
is a big change, yes.
Now, Roscoe, what are some of the benefits that you're hoping to get out of, this attempt at a switch to a vegan diet?
From what I read on plant-based eating, you're supposed to feel better. So maybe after a week of this, I'll feel different. I don't know. I think it's saving the animals. That's one of the main reasons why I'm interested in doing it. I don't know whether it's, any less calories or not. I haven't really looked at any of that. I just want to see if it's good and tasty. So I'm trying it for the week. This is salad. We all live together, we all work together. So we're here for a week at a time. So it's kind of like a little fire station. We make our meals together. Yeah, they're gonna become crunchified. Oh yeah, look, they're nice and toasty now. Okay, now we're gonna prepare the bowls.
This is starting to look good, isn't it, Roscoe?
It is starting to look good. Good. Here's our salad. Here's what I want to try it on. The tofu. Good. Good job.
You're happy?
I am happy. It's a nice meal.
Now, in terms of
Pretty healthy meal, actually.
Now, in terms of prep and actual, the mess you made in the kitchen, is this worth it, Roscoe?
Well, it's always worth it. You just can't, these aren't meals that you can just come home and, it's not a drive-through, the McDonald's drive-through and, fast meal and ready for you in 2 minutes.
Which is what typically you would have done, right?
Which I have been known to frequent the odd drive-through, yes.
But the week of vegan eating is going well?
Yes, it is. What is this, day 3, 4? I don't know. I don't even know what day it is. Yay!